All right, let's get into it, everyone. What's going on? Today is December the 1st, 2022. We're going to talk about Palantir today to see if this market is ready to take a huge move higher. You guys can see already, I got a price prediction on the chart for Palantir. Looking for the market to go down. I did it on November the 20th, so you guys could go back and look at the video. And I actually can tell how, since that particular time, the buyers in the market in Palantir came in and held this area right here. Okay, I talked about this area, literally telling you all that if the market in Palantir doesn't come in and hold this $7 area, then we can see the market run down to 650. What happened yesterday into the market lets me know that the buyers are definitely holding price here at $7. So what we need to do, we need to go ahead and cut this price prediction out the way. Congratulations to those who was able to bag 5% from that market move to the downside in Palantir from when I first did the video. If you guys didn't grab it then, if you were on the last trade of yesterday, you'll be down 1.5%. Now let's talk about this though, because we are now starting a new month of price action. So I wanted to start out for Palantir on the monthly chart, and let's just keep it real. Like, we're not massively bullish in one sense of the word for Palantir. I don't see any strength that came into the market in Palantir last month. Okay, so if we're going to play some strength into the market in Palantir, if we're going to predict that prices are going to go higher, it needs to be more realistic. We're not going to give you a price target of like $45. Like, that's asinine. Seeing that the market action for the month of November wasn't extremely bullish, we need to bring it down some. All right, so let's look at this in Palantir on the 2-day chart. I actually like what occurred here on the 2-day chart right there, 2-day price bar. So pretty much we need to try to figure out, okay, if we're going to play some movement to the upside, if the opportunity for us to see price move is higher, then how high do you think the market's going to go? We have to look at all of this information right here to try to harness where price is going to move. Okay, so let's look at this on the 3-day chart. Okay, so this is Palantir on the 3-day chart. Currently, we have 8 hours and 54 minutes left. If we were to conclude the way that this 3-day price bar looks right now in Palantir, I would definitely be looking for the market to go higher. But again, maybe it just run up to $7.75. Yeah, it's not even far, is it? To $8. It's not far. So let's look at this on the 5-day then. Let's see what we got there. So here on the 5-day chart for Palantir, you guys can actually tell that every couple of 5 days, we see one of these price bars right here to where we get a massive spread move to the downside, right? But then immediately we come back and see price come up. Then we come down. Well, then you come here on this last completed 5-day price bar, you guys can actually tell that, for one, the price bar spread is very small comparative to the last 3. And the volume is also lighter. So maybe the sellers are gone, because the market in Palantir still supported $7 though. So these 4 or 5-day price bars, market held $7. Okay. But on this last one, the price bar isn't as wide as the last 3. Volume is lower, but it's decent. Do you think buyers came in the last 5 days? Because if so, then it means that the market move higher in Palantir is still there. And that's what we're going to look at. Okay, so I'm going to expect the market action in Palantir to trend higher. That's the current situation that we're looking at right now in Palantir. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. Now we know that $7 needs to be held. Okay, buyers cannot let price break $7, because if it does, then we're going to have to come back in and play the market move to the downside and hit that $6.50 price that I've had on my previous price prediction. Okay, so the first price target is going to be here. This is around like $8. I would say like $8.15. We'll do 8. First price target 8. You guys can see that is a 6.39% profit move higher. Second one is going to be up here to 8.30, which is 10.79. Third one is going to be 8.50, which is around 13%. All right, that's it. I'm done. Now all we have to do is simply let the market work, and come in every once in a while to see how the price action is moving, to see if it's going in our favor or if the market's going against us, because then we have to come in and revamp and revise our situation because the market information has changed. All right, so give me your thoughts, hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get more of this simplistic understanding of price action within the stock market without the confusion, and give me all a heads up as to where we presume price is going to go. So let me know your presumptions. Where is price going to go for Palantir? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.